Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and to this our latest video for the Toyota RAV4. This is the 2.5 VVT hybrid dynamic four-wheel drive. The car was first registered 22nd of November 2019 on a 69 registration, just the one owner from new. The car benefits from a comprehensive service history comprising 4 visits, the last of which was done June 24 at just over 60,000 miles. MOT is valid through until the 21st of November 2024 with no advisories. Very good set of tyres, Dunlops on the front at 5mm of tread, and a Dunlop on the rear at 4mm, and a Yokohama which is brand new. It's a Euro 6 petrol hybrid, so it's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Car's finished in classic silver. It's in very good condition for its age and its mileage. As with the exterior of this RAV4, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and its mileage. It features the half leather interior. Both front seats are heated. Very high levels of specification on this one, with inbuilt sat-nav, automatic headlights which are xenon with LED daytime running lights, electric folding mirrors with blind spot function, obviously electric windows all round. There's a power tailgate, front and rear parking sensors with the optional 360-degree camera. Also has the optional JBL stereo system, so you've got AM FM as well as DAB radio, 5 USB inputs, voice control, obviously Bluetooth connectivity, Bluetooth music streaming. This RAV4 is fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Supplied with both remote control keys, the tonneau covers present in the boot, the inflator and gel pack, full book pack, locking wheel bolt is also present. That's the optional Panoramic Sunroof, which is electric tilt slide opening, as well as the electric blind. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireUsedCars.co.uk, where you will find customer testimonials, interactive finance calculator, part exchange form, as well as warranty pages. Thank you for watching this video.